How to delete or uninstall apps on Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Two methods you can uninstall or delete the app. In first method, open the app drawer, long press the app you want to remove. Here we long press this. Now you can see the uninstall option. Tap on uninstall. Now you can see pop-up message. Do you want to uninstall app? Tap on OK to uninstall the app from your device. You can also long press the app. Tap on I icon. Now you at the bottom you can find the uninstall option. Tap on it. Now tap on OK to uninstall the app. If you want to delete multiple apps at same time, tap on a Play Store. Tap on a profile icon at the top right. Tap on a manage apps and device. Now tap on a manage. Now you can see list of all installed apps here. Select the app you want to remove multiple. You can only remove the downloaded apps on your device. Select the application. Here we select this. Now select the application you want to remove. Here we select the three application. Now you can see three select Facebook. My Galaxy is the system default and a video editor. Now tap on a trash icon at the top. Now you can see uninstall only two apps. Even we select three apps because the one app is the system apps. So two apps will be uninstalled from your device. System apps remain on your device. Now tap on uninstall button. Now uninstall the application on your device. Two apps uninstall. So it's quite easy to delete or uninstall apps on a Samsung A15 and other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.